Good afternoon. I wanted to take some time today to speak with the community regarding coronavirus-19. The safety and public health of our community is very important. I just had a call with Governor Pritzker, and he has scheduled weekly calls with leaders across the state to keep us updated regarding the coronavirus. At this time, we have 32 confirmed cases in the state of Illinois and 0 deaths. The symptoms reported at this time are fever, coughing, shortness of breath. Of the 32 cases that have been confirmed, approximately 25% of those cases have been originated from travel, about 50% direct contact, and the other 25% is community spread, which means that they are unestablished cases at this time. As a result of those statistics, we need everyone to understand that this is spreading throughout the community, and it's important that we do what we can to keep each other safe. No community is immune to coronavirus-19. It's important that we follow safety protocols and guidelines that have been established and recommended by our public health officials. Frequent hand washing, cleaning off counters and surfaces regularly, covering your cough with a tissue. I am seeing people in public coughing in their hands. That defeats the purpose of this. So I want to make sure that if you're coughing or sneezing, you're either doing it, turning your head into your shoulder, covering with a scarf or something that you're wearing, or get a tissue and after you sneeze or cough, dispose of that tissue. Hand sanitizer has become very scarce, so if you have water and bleach, you can do a combination of that to keep surfaces clean as well. It's also important that we follow the guidelines of social distancing. If you are not feeling well, please stay at home. We want to make sure that if there are large events with anticipated attendees of 500, 1,000, that we are rescheduling and postponing those events. The good news is that the state of Illinois has great hospital systems and also has the experience to deal with epidemics and pandemics. The state of Illinois dealt with SARS and some of the other viruses that we've seen in the past. We are one of the first states to be able to test for corona, and we do have 3 testing sites in Chicago, Springfield, and Carbondale. There are a limited number of tests in the country right now, and that is why officials are pushing for us to be mindful of our hygiene and also social distancing practices. Again, the governor is recommending that all events with a minimum of 250 people be postponed until after May 1st. That includes athletic events as well. This may change as we continue to receive updates. Please monitor the City of Kankakee website. We will be posting information as we receive it. This situation is changing every day and sometimes hourly. I have spoken with both chiefs, our chief of police, Frank Cosman, and fire chief, Damon Schultz, to make sure that they have the supplies that they need to keep our first responders safe. Both of them have assured me that they do have supplies. I will continue to monitor their supplies and reach out to resources that we may need to keep our first responders safe. Again, information is coming in daily, and our protocols may change day by day. I want to ask you all to refer to the Department of Public Health is dph.illinois is spelled out .gov, and cdc.gov for updated information. Again, we want to make sure that everybody remains safe in our community. Thank you for your cooperation.